Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ethical Hacking Week 7 Assignment 7. So the first question is, which type of mapping is implemented by cryptographic hash function? So these are the option: one to one, many to one to many to many. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, what are hash function? Implement a many to one mapping. Cryptographic hash function are hash functions. So the answer of our first question is B, many to one. Now the second question is, two messages M1 and M2 are fed to a hash function hash to generate the hash value. H1 equal to hash M1, H2 equal to hash M2. Which of the following options can never be true? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, what are hash functions? Implemented a many to one mapping, not possible to uniquely retrieve M from H. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is, which of the following is true for hash function? So these are the option, and the answer of our third question is D, none of these. Now the fourth question is, which of the following is provided by unkeyed hash function modification detection code? So these are the option: integrity, authenticity, confidentiality, availability. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, unkeyed has function or modification detection code, integrity. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Now the fifth question is, which of the following are unkeyed hash functions? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, various families of hash function, the MD family, MD2, MD4 and MD5, the SHA family, SHA1, SHA256. So the answer of our fifth question is A, MD5 and C, SHA256. Now the sixth question is, SHA512 processes the message in dash bits block. So the answer of our sixth question is 1024 bit block. Now the seventh question is, which type of digital signature generates the same signature every time for a given message? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, deterministic signatures. For a given message, the same signature is generated on every occasion the signing algorithm is executed. So the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is, which property of digital signature ensures that a signer cannot deny a valid signature created by them? So these are the option: confidentiality, integrity, non-repudiation, availability. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, a signer is not allowed to deny a legitimate signature made by him, non-repudiation. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is, which of the following is not an objective of SSL? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, basic objectives of SSL: authenticate, data integrity, data privacy. So the answer of our ninth question is D, faster transmission. Now the 10th question is, in IPsec, which mode encapsulates only the transport layer information with protection? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, transport mode encapsulates only the transport layer information within IPsec protection, can only be created between host nodes. So the answer of our 10th question is B, transport mode. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.